Welcome to English and Haitian course by Jude Angus. Bienvenue dans Kou Anglè ak Ayisyen de Jude Angus. Today we are going to learn about 5 words in Haitian. The words are let, like, live, look, and make. Jodia, nous allons apprendre 5 mots en anglais. Mots ça c'est quitter, remet, vivre, garder, fait. Hello. Today we are going to learn about to let. This is the first word, to let. Or let. As we know, let or to let are verbs and noun. To let, as far as verb, means allow or rent, as far as noun. These are similars, some of the similarities. And in Haitian, to let means quitter. 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 Some similarities or similar words are permet and fait. The next word is to like. To like can be a preposition, a conjunction, a noun, an adjective, or a verb. Synonyms are same, admire, consider. In Haitian, the verb to like means remet. Remet. Synonyms are tant coup, sembler, même, apprécier, considérer. Those are synonyms of remet. The next word is to live. To live. To live can be a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Synonyms are exist, experience, survive, prosper, reside, alive, real time, or relevant. In Haitian, to live is vivre. 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 Synonyms are exister, si vivre, vivant, indirect, important. The next word is to look. To look. To look can be a verb, a noun, or an exclamation. Synonyms are see, stare, seek, observation, appearance, expression, and style. In Haitian, to look means garder. 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 Synonyms are still, ouais, fixer, chercher, observation, apparence, expression. The last word of today is to make. To make can be a verb or a noun. Synonyms are create, produce, cook, do, elect, brand, or type. In Haitian, it means fait, fait, fait. Synonyms are créer, produit, cuit, éli, Mac, Jean. Please subscribe and like this video. Tant pis, abonnez. Et puis, bah nous on like.